Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to add a story on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Now, it's time to add your story. You can either capture a video or photo in real time or choose one from your gallery. Step 4. Once you've selected your video or photo, tap the send arrow icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Step 5. Next, tap on Share to add your story to your profile. Step 6. Finally, tap Done to complete the process. And there you have it. You've successfully added a story to your Instagram profile using these simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy story sharing on Instagram.